Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of the cartridges in your Canon Pixma MG5550. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer using nothing but the control panel you can see here. So to get ourselves to the right menu, we can use the down arrow from the home screen of the printer until we get setup appear on the right hand side. Press the button directly underneath, and then we need to move ourselves along to the right until we're on the estimated ink levels, shown with this icon here. So we press OK. In here we have a visual representation of how much magenta, black, yellow, photo black and cyan ink your printer thinks it has within each of the cartridges. And there's not much else on this window. The exclamation mark indicates ink cartridge that the printer thinks is running low, and the X shows one that the printer thinks is either empty or critically low. Now if you're checking the ink levels of your printer due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, you might want to check out our separate videos on cleaning cycles and test pages, as any print quality issues experienced are unlikely to be as a direct result of an ink running low, more likely to be a blockage in the printer's printhead. If you're not sure which ink cartridges your printer requires, you can press the button underneath ink number. You've got a whole list of codes here for the various cartridges you can use in your printer. The ones marked with XL are obviously high capacity, and the ones without are standard capacity. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.